Question number 3. Form the pair of linear equations. Form the pair of linear equations for the following problems and find their solution by using substitution method. Okay, so theoretical examples are given to us. So first example is easy, but only I am giving you the hint about this question, but you have to find out the solution. Okay, the difference between two number is 26 and one number is 3 times the other. Okay, and one number is 3 times the other, find them. Okay, so two conditions are given to us again. Okay, what are the conditions then? First condition is the difference between two number is 26. The difference between two number is given to us. Okay, so if we are taking the difference between two numbers, then we know one number is always greater, first number is always greater than the second number. Okay, see here, if I am taking the difference between these two numbers, okay, 26 minus 10 is equal to 16. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, so if we are taking the difference between these two numbers, then obviously here 26 is greater than this 10. Okay, so if so in this example the difference between two number is 26. Okay, so if we are taking first number is x and second number is y, so obviously x is greater than y there. Okay, so we can take the condition like this, x plus y. Okay, first suppose that first number, okay, let the two numbers be x and y. Okay, first suppose that numbers be x and y, so write down like this, let the numbers be x and y. Okay, then the difference between two number is 26, so write down, therefore according to the condition, difference between these two numbers, means the numbers that we are supposing, x minus y is equal to what then? 26. Okay, 26 is given to us. Okay, so let the two numbers be x and y, then according to the question their difference is equal to 26. Okay, so this is our first equation, and here obviously since x is always greater than y, okay, remember this thing. Okay, if we are taking the difference, then obviously first number is greater than the second number. Okay, so x minus y is equal to 26. This is our equation number 1. Okay, then second condition is again given to us, and one number is 3 times the other number. One number is 3 times the other number, so obviously greater number is that number. Okay, one number is 3 times other, means obviously we can say that the first number is the greater number. Okay, means the first number is 3 times of the second, means second condition is what then? X is equal to, because x is the greater number here, and what is the condition? One number means obviously that number is x. Okay, means x is 3 times the other, so we can say that x is equal to what? 3 times of the second number. This is our equation number 2. Okay, now by using this equation 1 and 2, solve the given example. Okay, here already x is find out. Okay, so substitute this value in equation number 1. Okay, by substituting this value we can easily find out the value of y. Okay, after finding the value of y, substitute that value in this equation number 2. Okay, so question number 1 of this example number 1 of this question number 3 is easy. Okay, so try to solve it at home. Now see example number 2 is also easy. The larger of two supplementary angles exceeds the smaller by 18 degrees, find them. Okay, so this is our next example. Okay, again this example is easy. Okay, here larger of two supplementary, means two supplementary angles are given to us. Okay, one is larger and other is smaller by larger angle is greater than greater or more than 18 degrees. Okay, more than 18 degrees. Okay, so suppose that angle be, okay, see here larger and smaller angles are given to us. Okay, so suppose larger angle be x and smaller angle be, so write down here larger angle be x degree. Okay, because they are in degree, larger angle be x degree and smaller angle be y degree. Okay, so larger angle, after supposing larger angle be x degree and smaller angle, okay, smaller angle by degree. Okay, so take the conditions or go through the conditions. Okay, so here larger angle be x degree, smaller angle be y degree, therefore according to the question we can say that the larger of two supplementary angle exceeds the smaller by 18 degree. Okay, means we can say that larger angle means what? X degree. Okay, since this x degree angle is what? Exceeds the smaller, exceeds means what? More than that of the smaller angle, means we can say that smaller, this x degree is equal to what? Y degree plus 18 degree. Okay, because this x degree angle is greater more than this this y degree. Okay, y degree is the smaller angle and x degree is the greater angle, and this greater angle is more than the this smaller angle. Okay, so we can take the condition like this: x degree is equal to y degree plus 18 degree. This is the first condition. Okay, then find them. Okay, but the second condition is not given. See, second condition is given to us. See here, supplementary angles. These angles are, means this greater and smaller angle, these two, both the angles are supplementary angles. Means we can say that supplementary angle means what? The sum of these two angles is 180 degree. Okay, x degree plus y degree is equal to 180 degree. This is our equation number 2. Okay, so let the larger angle be x degree and the smaller angle be y degree. Then according to the question, these two conditions are formed here. Okay, now by using these two conditions or by using substitution method, solve or find out the value of x degree and y degree, or we can say that simply value of x and y. Okay, so here x degree is already taken out. Okay, so equation 1 means substitute this equation 1 in equation 2, you can find out the value of y degree. Okay, now after finding the value of y degree, substitute that value in equation number 1, you get the value of x degree. Okay, so question number 3, example number 2 is also